Okay, so today we will solve another puzzle that is about find the longest substring within a string. Well, it sounds confusing for me, but it's morning time. My mind is fresh, so we will solve this puzzle very quickly. Okay, let's share the screen. Share, share, share. Okay, got it. So go back, go back. Okay, so the question is, okay, it's a very good, important, medium level, and 30,000, almost 31,000 likes. So the problem is good. No problem is good, but I mean, the question is good. So what they need to do actually, they need to find the longest substring within a string. For example, in A, B, C, A, B, C, B, B, it means like what is the max longest string you can see? You can see like A, B, C, you can see B, C, A, and then B is repeated. So until any word is repeated, you need to find the unique word like A, B, C. So, but I was practicing and I tried to submit. I had some issues. Then I found out the best solution. So this example is the best. Like TMMZUXT. So, okay, because I was having issue with the last string. So I just zoom this a little bit. Uh-huh. Okay, how to do that? I can put this in the right hand side. Or keep it here, it's fine. Okay, so okay, anyway. So this part is what we need to do is we need to find the longest part, like T is first we will look, okay, T is the maximum and like 1, then TM is 2, and then M is repeated, so stop it. And so what we need to see here, how I said it, I said like stop it. It means like I'm starting from the beginning and I need to reinitiate my starting point. So my starting point was this, first this, and then it became the starting point became this like M. So this second M became my second starting point and then start it again. I look for the things again. And until the next M is repeated, just give me the total number. So looking simple, right? So the answer is MZUXT is the longest one, right? Because TMM, because M is repeated, so I have to start with M. So this I need to keep in my mind. When any word is repeated, I need to reset my starting point, right? And then just call and then just count the how the index. This is my index. So the exact solution is index, like its index starts with 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 is the index, right? But I need to get because I need to count the total that starts from the 1, so I need to add 1 in the index. So if all the words are unique, for example, just say like this. So the maximum is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like until 6, right? Not until here. So what we need to do, we need to get the index. We need to add 1 in that because I need to get the total. I don't need to start counting from the 0. And I need to minus the starting point like this, like this. Here is my starting point is M is 2. So I need to minus this 2 string before. You get it? Okay, this is the solution, index plus 1, because then 0 plus 1, my counting will start from the 1, and I need to minus the starting point. So this is the trick, I did not invent this trick, it was already there, but I just saw how I can put it in the code. So that's it. That is very important. Before going into your technical interview, you need to explain like how you are going to solve the problem, because there is a logic always behind finding the solution, right? So So you get it. Index plus one and minus the starting point. That is my here is my two, like because M is becoming my starting point. So I just need to get the index for the word that is repeated, like that is 0, 1, 2. So I got the M. I'm repeating it multiple times, but it's fine. So I got the M value that is 2 index, and I said, oh, this is my starting point, right? That's all you need to remember. And second thing is the basic things, like because I need to consider for the beginners as well. We will use the maximum function because we need to append the length one by one because it will start from the M and then so my maximum will keep appending, right? So basically you need to see how does the max function work. So max is it will always give me the max. It compares the value and this is also important for the beginners, like how we get the index, because I have to play index to put my starting point and to get the length. So this is a basic function for the enumerate. When I enumerate a string, here I can put this string and then you can see my index and the value for this. Okay, so 0 okay, now you get it, like 0, this is my 1, but for the length, like I said, I have to add 1 in this condition because I have to start counting from 1. So let's start the code. Ah, okay, now I have already practiced it, but it's okay. It's easy to max string, keep it camel case. So this is the camel case because I don't know why, because it becomes like a little bit capital in the middle. So it reminds me of I don't know how do we call it, camel bump, hump. Yeah, this thing. Oh, this thing. So the yeah, this thing. His hump. Okay. So that's why we call it camel case. So maximum string, I need to put here is a value that I need to put like s or str. I just put here and then the type is string, str, I think, or ing. I think it's I. And then it will give me more like one or two. Oh, it generates what? It's a generate integer. I think it's a small. Oh, okay. So I need to put a string and it will give me the one integer value. So how to do that? Okay. So first thing first, we need to get our maximum that will be my 0 in the beginning, and my starting point also will stay 0, and my I need to have I need to like have a dictionary because it's the hashing. Okay, I can go a little bit details because is hashing is just like to get the index values in the dictionaries, mainly in the dictionaries, and when I get the values inside the dictionaries, it reduce my time complexity and the space complexity is also. But I don't want to go detail into that because these are some technical terms, but it's good to get index and values inside a dictionary because it's faster, it takes less space. That's all. So always append dictionary if you need to collect index values. It is 90% faster than, maybe not 90, but it's faster than list. Okay, so I'm getting this part, and now and we call it hashing. Hashing, H-A-S-H-I-H-I-I. So now okay, for index and value in enumerate my string, that is this string. I need to apply it. Okay, now it is throwing error. Like it doesn't take and, so sorry. So it's for index comma value. So it's the same thing, but I'm saying and, so I wrote and, but I need to put I need to follow the syntax standards. Normally it should fine, but and is also, for the comparison. I can use and in the if condition, but not here. So if my value in if my these values in D, that is my dictionary. Okay, I can put like dictionaries. The dictionary look like this, right? Just for people. Here is the key, and here is the values, and then key two. I don't know. It's very basic, but it's so. I am little bit not focused. So, but anyway. So this is this. So I'm just saying, like, if my value is this, like that is my, like, the value of S is matching with my key, then my starting point keep appending, incrementing, appending. Okay. And I need to append it by one because I need to handle like exact length from the zero. Like I don't need to include the zero. And that's all. And else, or I can print until here so you can understand. Okay. Woohoo! Okay, and let's print D, but this is not what we want, just remember. Ooh. Oh, so let's try to print. Let's see what it does. Oops, it didn't print anything. Uh, Vemo? It won't print anything? Vemo? 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 Okay. I don't want to think about it too much. So, okay, I can print here. Oh, I think I will make the video long and that is not good. So I need to quickly show you why it is not printing. Okay, maybe here. Sorry, sorry, sorry. It is not appending until D is in this. It should append. Why it is wrong? A, B, C. If V is in the D, okay, there is nothing. Oh yeah, I'm not even appending. Sorry. So okay, so I need to append in the end. So okay, D is equal to I. So now it will append. So okay, this is appending like this. So first I put A here, then I put B here, and I'm getting the index here. Okay, now you get it, right? I'm just putting this value and just getting this index. But this is not what we want. Video will be long and people don't like it. So anyway, so now else what I need to get my max. That's all. This is what I said. Like I need to get the max function between my what between, because I need to keep increment between my max and my current max, that is my index, plus 1 minus starting point. Okay, and that's all. You can see in this part, like what I am trying to print is like max. Okay, and print M. Okay, I can just show you like here, max index value. I haven't increment the value, then don't forget. I need to do it because I always forget. It's always good to do it in the end, because this part, just remember, you always do it in the end, right? Because otherwise, if you I will append it, it will change the index values continuously. For example, if one word is repeated, it will only compare with second M. So just don't go into detail. Just remember, you always increment dictionary in the end, so your conditions will be satisfied one by one, you know. Okay, so the value is this, and I can also put the starting point. Starting point. That is my. I don't know. I need to finish the video in quickly. Oh, where am I? Sorry. Okay, I can come here. M, comma I, comma value is my V, T, comma V, and I can put the V, yes, and my starting point, ST. Okay, just see this situation, what it does. Okay, let's see in the end. Okay, so in this condition, until for in first condition, my M was 1, and then M became 2. The starting point became 2. Let's look in the end. My maximum is 4. Is 4? Are you sure? Oh, now I know, like, what is this. My maximum is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will tell you like why it is not counting the last one. So until now it is counting the maximum is 4, and the index is my 6, the last value, and starting point is 1, right? So anyway, it is not taking this, but what I need to hear, the condition is, just remember, uh, my S starting point should be less than equal to my values. So in this condition, it will not miss the last T. Okay, so now my maximum is 5, and the index is 6, and starting point is 2. So now it is good. Okay, we wanted my starting point 2, and index is 6, like at the sixth value, at the T, counting the last value and counting my max. So so now you get it, like index plus 1 is 7, 7 minus 2 is 5. So this formula, index plus 1, that is 6 is my index, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 minus 2 is 5, and counting my max. So this formula is working fine. And now I need to do this, copy paste this function. I'm going in the lead code, and I will submit my results. Oh, something is okay. I can put this a little bit. Yeah. I don't need to print these things. They need only one thing. That is return return my M. Okay. Now check it. I think everything is fine. Oh my God, what happened? A little bit error, so but no problem. And done. Okay. Okay, accepted, and let's see the results. And I'm telling you, it is cool. Okay, so you see the runtime is 96. I beat 96% of the people. I hope it means this. And for the memory is 50%. Okay, we don't. Okay, I think time is more important than the memory. Anyway, so that's all. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Stop it. Stop, 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 stop.